InvestEngine Robo-advisor for investing full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to InvestEngine are in the description if you want to check it out. InvestEngine is a UK-based robo-advisor that offers a straightforward, low-cost solution for long-term investors looking to diversify their portfolios. What sets InvestEngine apart is its focus on providing both automated investment management and a high degree of customization. The platform uses low-cost ETFs to build portfolios based on your risk profile and goals, but it also allows you to have a more hands-on approach by selecting specific ETFs if you prefer. InvestEngine's main feature is its low-cost management with a transparent fee structure. It offers two main plans: a free plan with basic features for investors with less than £100,000, and a premium plan at just 0.25% per year for balances above that. The platform provides access to a variety of investment portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, designed to suit different risk appetites. One of the key strengths of InvestEngine is the ability to choose specific ETFs within your portfolio, providing more control and customization over your investments. It also offers automatic rebalancing, which ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your chosen asset allocation over time. InvestEngine is best for UK investors who want a flexible, low-cost robo-advisor that allows for some customization without sacrificing ease of use. Its low fees, combined with the ability to select individual ETFs, make it attractive for those who want more control than typical robo-advisors offer. However, one downside is that the platform is only available to UK residents, so international investors are left out. Additionally, while InvestEngine offers some level of customization, it's still largely automated, so those seeking highly personalized investment strategies might find it lacking. Overall, InvestEngine is a solid choice for long-term investors in the UK who want a mix of automation and control without breaking the bank. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts on InvestEngine in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more robo-advisor reviews.